so nice and sunny out today. Wow, such a wonderful day. So basically what I'm doing today is I'm going to be taking the fuel pump out. I'm having a no start issue. It's kind of odd actually, because it was a couple days ago, actually no, like a week or so ago, I drove the car and I didn't realize it ran out of fuel, and it did. So I basically just rolled it. I was almost by my house. I rolled it down and parked it, and unfortunately, me being pretty dumb, I kept trying to start it over and over again because I didn't realize the fuel tank was that empty. I don't know how, I just didn't. So that being said, after that I tried to continue to start. It wouldn't start, and then I realized the fuel was low. At that point I just left it, and then the next day I went to the gas station, and then I basically got the gas, filled it in, and still wouldn't start. So I've asked a few people, and most people are saying it's probably because the fuel pump was dry and I was trying to start it. So could be a possible reason behind that. So right now, here it is. I'm taking the fuel pump out so you can take a look at it. Come on. So that's where the fuel pump is, right here. Don't mind the car. Obviously it's still a project, so I started pretty much right now. So you gotta take those 4 screws out. It's easier when you take this out because you can actually move it out of the way. Otherwise it's stuck right over there. So if you take this off, the screw off, you can actually kind of move it out of the way, so it's not in your way. So that's that. And then you just gotta take a few things off here and pull it out. So I'll be making the video, and yeah, we'll let you know how that goes. There we go. So those nuts there, they were 8 mil, and you can actually use a impact. That's what I use. I use my Milwaukee impact, 8 millimeters, and then also there's 2 on there as well, on the sensor there. And then I basically took those off because usually you would have to disconnect it there, so I just took it off. It's easier. Just kind of pull it off and pull it to the side. Yeah, and then pull it out pretty much. So yeah, I mean, it's pretty straightforward. There's nothing really crazy about this at all, so it should be pretty easy. So yeah, I'm gonna get it off, then I'll do it again. So I ended up taking the seat out. I found this. I have no idea what this is. I'm gonna say it's probably an amplifier of some sort, but I can't be 100% sure. Plus the wire is cut. Like it was like this already, so it's just dangling around. I'm not really sure what it is. This car really needs a really bad overhaul. Whoever had it before me didn't really take care of it because the seats were already kind of freaking out. I took the seats out. I don't know if you guys read my previous comment on my videos that I had surgery, so I can't really bend and stuff like that. So I took the seat out so it's easier for me to work on it. So I'm just getting it out right now. Hopefully it'll be out soon. So I finally got it out. This is a 450 LPH Walbro fuel pump by TA Automotive. Yeah, everything seems to be fine. I'm not sure what the heck's going on. I mean, the car's not starting. It could be the fuel pressure sensor that actually is on top here. It mounts on right here, fuel pressure sensor. So I gotta basically check it out to see what it really is. Yeah, it looks good. I'll check for power and everything like that soon. So in short, to wrap it up, this is pretty much the engine bay. Needs a lot of work still, which over time I will be doing. It's just some minor stuff. You can take a quick look at it. It's a little video of the engine bay. Most of the work was done by me, but just wire tucking and things like that need to be taken care of. Yeah, got lots of plans for it in the near future. Still a little bit of a mess. Those cam gears. Got the clear cam cover, but there's probably a little bit there. And that's pretty much it for today. Gonna maybe try to start it up later on, maybe today or tomorrow. See what happens.